Iman Gadzhi just made a move that's going to completely transform the world of online business. He just made a massive investment and is now co-owner of Whop, and I genuinely believe this is about to break the internet. This move, without a doubt, is going to make this man a billionaire and has the potential to also make you rich. I got into this industry early and I've made over $2.5 million in the last 4 years from digital products. And to be honest, finding this video in 2025 is like stumbling upon dropshipping in 2015. And if you take advantage of it properly, you could completely change your life. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what this move was that Iman Gadzhi made, why it has changed online business forever, and how it has massive potential to make you rich as well. For those of you that don't know, this is Iman Gadzhi. There's a lot of things you can call him, but honestly, I view him as one of the true pioneers of entrepreneurship YouTube and the digital product industry. Millions of people, including myself, have learned about building successful online businesses through his content and programs. Iman is a serial entrepreneur who's generated around $100 million in digital product sales. His net worth has exploded in the last few years, and this move has the potential to multiply that significantly. He has a track record of consistently being ahead of industry trends, and he was actually one of the first people I learned from when I started my journey. And what I learned from him a few years ago literally changed my life and set me on the path to making millions online. So he just made a massive investment into Whop. Whop is a platform that's revolutionizing how creators sell digital products and build communities. Think of it as Shopify, but specifically designed for digital products. The platform allows you to sell literally any type of digital product: courses, communities, software, templates, coaching, programs, you name it. It allows you to create a product, host it, process payments for it, and get customers for the product all through Whop. It's an all-in-one solution for getting started and scaling a digital product business. I've been using Whop since the early days, and it's completely transformed my life. When I was 16, I stumbled across a TikTok of someone talking about how they resell shoes as a side hustle, and I checked out their bio and they had a Discord link. I joined the Discord and I had to pay $20 per month for access to the community. Flipping shoes was my first successful online business. I started making $1,000 to $2,000 per month reselling shoes just by learning inside of this online community. And then I met the owner of the community and he told me he was 17 years old making $20,000 per month just by running the community. That's the day I became obsessed with digital products and started my own Whop community. And in my first year of selling products on Whop, I made $27,000 as a junior in high school. My next year as a senior in high school, I made $263,000. And today at 20 years old, I've made over $2.5 million with digital products. And what's crazy is I now work with the Whop team directly, helping everyday people get started building businesses on Whop. I've seen behind the scenes of how they're constantly innovating and building features that make selling digital products easier and more profitable. I see getting into digital products in 2025 exactly like starting dropshipping in 2015. You're early enough to ride the massive wave, but now we have better platforms and infrastructure to make it even easier. Think about the evolution of online business models. First, we had eBay sellers, then Amazon FBA, then dropshipping exploded around 2016 to 2018. Each wave created thousands of millionaires. Digital products are the natural next evolution because they solve all of the problems of physical product businesses. The digital product market is projected to reach $1.1 trillion by 2030. That's not billion with a B, that's trillion. And the best part, regular people are making fortunes with the weirdest niche digital products you can imagine. I know a guy who makes $50,000 a month running a digital product, teaching people how to stay healthy while partying. Another person I know makes $100,000 monthly with a digital product, teaching people how to avoid being divorced or how to get their wife back after a divorce. The opportunities are endless and the barrier to entry has never been lower. There's even a dog that's made a couple $100s with a digital product. Digital products are without a doubt one of the best business models I've ever seen. And I've tried everything from dropshipping to agency work to wholesaling real estate. First, the startup costs are ridiculously low. You can create and launch a digital product for $0. Compare that to physical products where you need inventory, warehousing, and shipping infrastructure. Second, the scalability is infinite. You could sell to 10 people or 10,000 people with virtually the same effort and infrastructure. The product gets created once, it can be sold forever. Third, the profit margins are insane. After platform fees, you're looking at 90% plus profit margins. Show me another business with margins that high that doesn't require specialized skills or massive capital. Fourth, you can run this business from literally anywhere with an internet connection. I've personally run my business from 13 different countries in the last 2 years. Fifth, once your products and systems are built, it becomes increasingly passive. I spend about 5 hours a week maintaining a business that generates over $60,000 monthly. Finally, digital products compound over time. Each product you create can feed into your next one, building an ecosystem that grows stronger with each edition. And a big bonus is that you don't need to be a creator or make content to make money with digital products. There's so many things you could do in this space to make money while working with digital products. And now that Iman has publicly announced co-ownership of Whop, this space is going to explode, leading to dozens of other ways to make money with digital products. You could be a creator, build a personal brand, and use digital products to monetize your audience. You could be a growth operator and partner with a creator and simply manage the operations of their digital product for a percentage of the revenue they make. You could help a digital product creator with their copywriting or their advertising, their sales, or even run a clipping army for a digital product creator to help them get more views and get more sales. Clipping for some of the biggest creators, streamers, and artists in the space is currently what I'm doing on Whop. And it's been insane. Since launching my clipping agency on Whop a few months ago, I've done over $250,000 and been able to work with artists like Ken Carson, streamers like Sketch, and met some of the coolest people in the space. And with how AI technology is rapidly advancing, the opportunities to use it in combination with digital products to make money are endless. Iman simply choosing to invest in Whop over any other platform says so much with just one move. This is a guy who's seen and used every platform in the space, and he chose to put his money and reputation behind Whop. This signals that he believes digital products are about to enter a golden age, and Whop is positioned to be the dominant platform. When someone who's generated $100 million plus makes a move like this, you pay attention. With Iman's investment and co-ownership, Whop is going to accelerate its growth and feature development. He brings not just capital, but deep expertise in what creators actually need to succeed. The network effect this will create is going to be massive. He has one of the largest audiences in the online business space, and many of them will follow him to Whop. This means more creators, more products, more buyers, and more opportunities for everyone on the platform. This is truly a moment in history for the digital product industry, and 5 years from now, people will look back at this move as being the tipping point when digital products went mainstream. I actually just got off a call with Iman's team this week, and they shared something exclusive with me that I can now share with you. Iman is hosting a special event next month focused specifically on how to build, launch, and scale digital products on Whop. For the first time ever, he'll be hosting a free virtual challenge like this. And during this challenge, he'll actually show you how to build your first digital product from scratch live together with him. And he invited me to be a guest speaker at the event. He's bringing together some of the top performers on the platform who are doing anywhere from 50 to 500K per month with their digital products. They'll be breaking down their exact strategies, showing their backends, and revealing what's working right now. This investment that Iman made, without a doubt, will change online business forever, and it'll make himself and so many people rich. And I hope you're one to take advantage of this opportunity. The digital product gold rush is just beginning, and getting it now gives you a massive competitive advantage. A few years from now, the competition will be much fiercer, but the people who start today will have already established products and audiences. And as I mentioned, I'll be a guest speaker at Iman's upcoming event, sharing my journey from $0 to $2.5 million with digital products. And if you want to join us, click the link in the description to secure your spot. The tickets are free. This is an opportunity to build a real sustainable business that will grow and be around for a long time. Digital products are the future of online business, and Iman's investment in Whop just confirmed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the event. Peace out.